everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making homemade quiche. It's a super easy recipe, plus it's paleo, low carb, and keto friendly. If you haven't yet, subscribe for more healthy recipes, and let's get into it. So to make the crust, it's super easy. We're starting off with almond flour, which is rich in vitamin E, some coconut flour, which has fiber, Himalayan salt, which has lots of minerals in it, and a clove of garlic. I'm adding in some avocado oil, which is just gonna help it bind. You can definitely substitute this for olive oil or coconut oil, as well as 2 tablespoons of water. Again, it just really helps to bind the crust. And that's it. So it's a super simple crust recipe. This one is a savory one, so you could definitely use it for other savory dishes as well. And because it's made with almond flour and coconut flour, it is grain-free as well. So stir that together until you get a nice dough, and then I'm putting that into my glass baking dish. So mine is about 9 inches wide, so just put that in and then use your hand to push it down into your pie shape. So you want it to come up about 1 inch on top of the sides. So just make sure you get it evenly around the whole pan. I found it easiest to do with my hands as opposed to something else, so just press it down until you get a nice even layer. Once your pie crust is done, we're gonna go ahead and bake that for 15 minutes at 400 and get started on our filling. So I've got some avocado oil in a pan and I'm heating up some garlic. I love garlic because it's an antimicrobial, antifungal, great for your immune system, and let's be honest, garlic tastes great too. I'm adding in some mushrooms as well as some zucchini. And this is my trick to get a really good quiche that isn't soggy, is to cook your mushrooms and your zucchini, all the veggies that you're gonna be adding in first. And you can definitely change up mushroom and zucchini for whatever you like. So you could do peppers or spinach, whatever veggies that you enjoy. Then, of course, it's time for the eggs because we are making a quiche. So I am going to be taking 6 eggs and cracking them in. And I get a lot of questions about the color of the yolks of my eggs. And that's because I use pasture-raised free-run eggs. And they actually have more nutrients in them. They're higher in omega-3s. I'm adding in some almond milk as well, and then you're just going to whisk that together until you get nice and smooth. So this is gonna be the main quiche filling along with our veggies. So just whisk that together until all of it is combined with the milk and the eggs. Then after the crust is baked for the 15 minutes, I'm adding in the toppings on the bottom first to make a nice layer. And this is the time where you would add in anything that you wanted to have in your quiche. And then I'm going to be pouring our egg mixture on the top. So out of this quiche, I ended up slicing it into 6, so 6 servings. And this is great for meal prepping. It's great to bring to a family event, to have for brunch on the weekends, but it's super good for lunch as well, just with like a side salad. I've been eating it all week. Once you bake it off and the eggs are set, you will have your wonderful, delicious quiche. All you have to do is slice it up and enjoy. And it's honestly so delicious. And I can't believe how easy it was to make a crust of a quiche at home. And a quiche looks a lot fancier than it really is. This would also be really good for Easter time if you're having an Easter family brunch or you want to make something for your family at Easter time, because it's kind of a crowd pleaser and it's really impressive to make a quiche. But as you guys see, it's super easy and customizable too. So if you guys try this out, be sure to tag me on Instagram because I love sharing all your remakes and seeing them. Subscribe if you haven't already and leave me any requests down below of healthy recipes you'd like to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.